Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Joshua Ologboye by name. I'm here this evening to inform everybody and mostly all the technicians that there is a place that you can acquire a professional skill, how to repair mobile phone, both software and hardware aspects. All you need to do is to pay 30% cash and the remaining 70% with your TBC. The place where you can acquire this knowledge is at Fikky Fissy Ultimate Service Limited, Arowolo Trade Center, beside MRS Police Station, Obateshida Road, Akure. And our head office is located at Wode Junction, beside Ope office, Akure in the state. You can come there for more details, and I'm telling you, I'm giving you 100% assurance that it is free. It is free. You can come to ask, you can come for verification, and you will know that it is free and it is true. Thank you. All thanks to TBC admin, and also all thanks to my uncle and his wife, Pastor Victor Oluwalade. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. We'll be expecting you. God bless you.